Hi, that's the Z part of extra guides for TheScouring. It will be part about importing custom model from Warcraft 3 or for Warcraft 3 models into TheScouring. So first you will need two plugins for this. First, that's a plugin for export from Warcraft 3 model into the Blender or import the same way. And next plugin how to export from Blender into TheScouring. We made it them available in Discord server, or we'll add link under video to this plugin too. So download it, add it like add-ons in Blender. You can see it in other guides, so I won't explain it. Then we will need our model to import into Blender and export out TheScouring. So you can use for this for Russian WC3 maps. For other, you can use xgame.guru. That's a good site. You can select English language and translate everything. Or Hive. Hive full on English, so that's easiest to use. The best way that's to use non-official models or models that can be used everywhere. I have chosen the model of Pikeman, so download it. Already downloaded. And need to how it's it unpackage somewhere. I will use media meshes folder for this. Create map, unpack model, add the URL files. We will need MDX file and texture file, that's BLF file for old versions of Warcraft 3. For reforgers it will be a DDS, so you will need to find converter for this. For BLP we can use BLP lab. It's available on Hive too. You can download it and use. I am downloaded from Ingame, but the same, so download from Hive. Then select it and open with. Select your bottle file, bottle little pictures laboratory, BLP. You can find it like a way, but I'm already found, so just select it. Also, if you will be work with a lot of BLP files, you can open properties and set to application to opening it. Or bottle little pictures laboratory. So open it. You will see more textures. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. File, save as. we need to save it in TGA file format and select our meshes. Where is it? The easiest way will be Ctrl+C, non-available. Okay, then C, program files, the Steam, their Steam apps, common, TheScouring, DevTools, media, and their created file meshes, impact model. We'll name it like Pike text 1. Save. Okay, open the second file, save as. They set name 2. Save. Okay. Then they are all textures in TGA format. TGA is best for TheScouring to use, so I recommend to use it. Now knitting build panel, and then start work in Blender. First, we need to, in Edit, Preferences, Install, select, and select all add-ons and install it. I already done this, so already them export. TheScouring format, and for Warcraft 3 must be there too. Blender for importing from Warcraft 3 into TheScouring must be 1 second, Blender 2.60. 1 second, cloud player check. Download previous versions, any version, and they select 2.80. Then if your OS 32 bytes system, so for 32 or for 64. The best way using zip, so you can just unearth it where you want, and that's already installed. Or use MCI if you want. MCI, that's a format of installer. So just unpack it and use somewhere. I have already done this, so we continue. Add-ons already done. Blender we have. So first we need import our mother from Warcraft 3 format. There was I deleted it already. Import Warcraft 3 MDL MDX. Found our own module folder. Then select Pikeman MDX. And we will see our model. That's model from Warcraft 3. Yeah, love polygon, but not too bad for this. Now first we need to set the size for every part of model set. I will set less in 10 times for every nodes. Why it won't work? That's Plagin nodes on WC. I can deselect them. Maybe not there. This? No. No modifiers, but we need to set less scale for it. 1 second, I will what I need to do. So if there will be problems with it, just search guides for Blender, because I don't know how to work correctly. It takes some time, but I found how to do it. Need to select context object and there select object. So continue. Set scale divided 10 times. We can do it. We can only buy this way. Nodes. Then addition part and pike with other texture. Why we need to set them divided into 10 times? Because when we will export it into TheScouring, it will be too big, too really big. So I need to do it. The second thing that we can do it is that rename name for material. So there that's from Warcraft 3. So we can't make them other. Pikeman and Pikeman 001. I think them the same. Okay, then text pike 1, Ctrl C, text pike 2, text pike 3, to indent it will be. Add these two text, but that's a special texture for Warcraft 3 models. So we work already renamed textures, which will be seen in TheScouring too. And the next part is animations. There you can see all animations from Warcraft 3. If I see it well, that's it, very broken. So maybe we need to make other model guide. So check it. Animation. The action editor. And there just seek all sequence. Yeah, but not inside this. So we'll watch how to improve it, or we'll work with other. That takes some time to learn about, but that I see that everything normal with models. That's because I selected nodes, but need to select full model. Maybe also we need to set the how to say it, fake users, but we will check it in future. For all animations that we want to see in game, we need to search fake users. Search attack animation. That's the same for. Can we start this animation? Maybe. Or it will be full sequence. So okay. Attack animation. There. Ditch animation. Spade animation. Stand animation. Stand 2. Stand 4. Stand first. Stand fourth. Stand ready. I think we don't need so many animation, but them already exist. We see all animations. Siri. Walk to. Need to save our file. Save. We'll search our name. Plagin. Plagin F. So save Blender file. So you can now see a job sheet. If it will work or not. Okay, then let's see, will work too. We need name or animations, so like each how it use in game. For this, open our editor. Open modeling guide. No need in detail now. Creating assets. There. Animations. So we can see everything there. Stand loop. And idle, that's stand 2, stand 3, stand 4 animations. So name it. First, stand. So rename it stand loop. Then walk. I already say that it will be run loop too. Other names. Idle for stands. Stand 2. Idle 0. Ctrl C. This page, I think it. No, we'll watch it in game too. So stand. Which will be idle 1. The next stand first idle 2. The next idle 3. The next idle 4. Or no, I think better will be yes. Def stand loop. Def stand loop. can be duplicate or run. I think no, but define. So we can't not back loop. One of stand animations. Maybe stand ready use for this. Stand ready I think will be no good. Stand loop. Like stand ready I already use it, I think. So maybe will be no good. Some animations. Stand for stand 2. Attack. Stand 2 maybe. Okay, we'll use it. Like not back loop. Run def we can't use either. Maybe if I will set this, no, it won't work. Run loop. Can I double it? Ctrl C or copy everything. New action. Oh, we can set action with no new name. So we will use def run loop. Def run loop. Def stand loop already exists. And new def attack. Def attack. So we will use attack animation. We have first attack and second. We will use for def attack. Attack 2 maybe. Okay. Def attack. And there. Everything good. Maybe also clamp animation. But there exists clamp animation. You just copy run. New additional climb loop. Also special attack maybe. Special. Or cast? No, cast I think. No need to it. You can also add animations. Drink, cast, special attack. Heat. Attack heat. Deflect add-ons. But the best I think not back loop. So I think our model ready and now. So we can export it. For this, select export TheScouring. There are the week's name. There we need to select only armature, mesh, escalation 1/1000. If you will set less, it won't work, it will be set 1/1000. And animations must be baked. So export. It will be big model using a lot of space on disk, because has additional no neat animations. I don't know how to add them in main animation list, or how to work it else with it, or else maybe in future someone will learn about it and explain us how to work. So now open our meshes file, there select our model, Pygman Elf. I will add them already into mod, for test example, maybe mod with heroes, non-rich meshes, units, add our new elf, make for him XML file with the same name. You can say not the same, but I just don't know how to do it. Pygman, how to work, and it will be working when publishing into your, when will be publish your mod, how it will be changed. So just name like your model, that's easiest way. Our XML file already, no need to use Blender file, so save. Additional, I want to say, you can in Blender save it with actions and open with new versions of Blender and work. Now open our mod with our mesh, there, meshes, Pygman Elf, open and watch. It will be so hard for editor to open it, because it's really big model. Love polygonal, but big model. Attack work. Attack slam we not used. Def attack, def run, def stand. Display, that's animation for heroes. Idle 0, idle 1, idle 3, idle 4, knockback the same, okay, 1. Also there maybe something standard, and run must be, but it will be before, I think. run, climb like running, run animation, where is it? See, run animation. Knockback not now, well. We can use just def step for this. Def attack and standard attack I want to watch. Attack. Standard attack. Attack slam, attack something. Where's our standard attack? It must be this. Okay, we'll see it in game. So that's our model. The second part, we need to add him textures. That's got textures, text spike 2, text spike 1. Okay, text guts we not have. So we need to change it with something. first text spike 1 or in our XML file. There set name like there, text spike 1 there, no name for our texture. First we need to take it with our textures, Ctrl+C, and add them in textures folder into our mod folder. Bike texture 1, bike texture 2. Open XML. So there's it. Bike text 1. We will use, I think, this name for it. And for second texture, this we will use the same. Texture 2, 2, 2. But for text guts, text guts, we don't have any model, so we need to set for him color. I will set it like this: red, green, blue. Maybe more green, red, green, blue. More green, less red, and we watch how it will be seen. So we need to reload our model. We'll wait it again. Also, editor will optimize our mesh and create order file and mesh files. So need first to open our model. He can find these textures. Also one problem. They need to set 255 or like this. Okay, save. Now why it won't in textures? You see, like text. Oh, see this. We need to add 1, 2, 3, 4. Save. Again reload and watch. I hope that will be now well everything, but we'll see. We can find some material, say about KitKat. Material fee. Remove it. Reload. We check it again. Problems not with this. If you remove your shading map and we use just algorithm map, we have our model, you can see it. Textures, everything seen, but why is it right? I'm stupid, just not need to deselect our mesh. And that's our model. Yeah. We can already use it. All sequence, attack 2. But where's attack with only little letter? Maybe. Okay, if it was like error, we need to improve it in future. def attack must work, and def run too. So I think the easiest way to see it, that's okay, we'll create a new unit, human footman. Here's our example, human footman, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and create new unit. For this, need to select non-meshes, but units, create XML, pikeman, so you'll see something like this. That there, remove, need to have any research for all skills, and set model units, like the units, Python elf, save it. So we'll check it in game, and I think that's all. Single player, select some map, maybe guide map, maybe this will be now good. No, there's the errors because of other mods with problems. So we'll see. Ctrl V. I hope you see everything there. Name of our unit was pikeman, yeah, pikeman, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, O, P, Q must be. But where's our model? Pikeman CLC. Oh, I can see it. There must be a neutral orc, but there must be pikeman also. Wait some time, I will check. That won't work because that were other mod maps, so it won't be seen. So there we can see it. Oh. I said them too little. Also in wrong direction. So we'll improve it and we will continue. How you see our models become too little and was turned into right when moving. So we need to turn our model left, and then also how it's say correct, make size more, set size more. So I will do it in global export. So I don't want to improve it there, so we'll just rotate. The error there it was. We'll check. No, not there, I think. Or that switch animation. Switch animation. Display animation. Attack slam animation. I think that's all already good. There will add also improve it already there. Attack animation. Write it with little letter. And also was broken some already forget already about it. Non-attack slam, I think that's not a good idea. But knockback loop. Ctrl C, I think not enough correct. Non-use. I think the best will be used already existing. Not random, but stand. Understand maybe. No, understand too. Not too good. Maybe in idle animation some. I think stand ready can use. Stand ready. Stand ready, where is it? Understand. So just copy it. Now go back loop. Save and export it again. We need to make size more, so we'll set 3 of 1000. Animations, everything good. Mesh armature and our model Python elf. Export. Wait till Blender will do everything with his own Python script. And yeah, scripts for Blender write in Python. So close. Again our file. Open our folder with mod. There, what's it? Where Python? There, or Python. So in mods, need just change our filmmakes file. Sorry, no, they are not in models but in units. Yeah. Yeah, new file. And then check it in game again. Maybe it won't more correct in game, but we'll check in future show. But if I know well, it will work. If not, just open our model in editor to create OGM and mesh files. So Ctrl V, there are Python. Yeah, there is normal model. there is some problem because that's winter biome, so textures was changed there. And too less size. I think it will be better if we watch it in some level map. Maybe there. If it will share their files or mod. If not, Ctrl V, C, not available. 1 second, I will add it to all. No, that's not that, but the problems is elevator map. Need to use some other map for textures, but I don't know how to add them like other map. So we imported our model from Warcraft 3, and we can set them in different mode too. Like an example, so how you can see different mode work too, or models work, but have to improve the problem with textures. That's a question for devs, developers. I just don't know how to do it. So good luck, have fun, and we'll wait your models in game too. I know why this problem exists. That's because too many white color in model. Why that happened? Because white color in TheScouring using for team colors. So if you will set, I will probably to make more space for GPU. So if you set white color in your textures, it will be painted in team color. So that's why our units seem so strange. Using dark colored models better for this. Like example, I will add there also red some units. How you think? They painted into red. Teal units, purple units, orange units, black units, and also white units. White units must be best, and neutral hostile. How you seen them all have their own color? That's because white are converted into team color. So that's why all units seem so strange. Second, they also corpse type using, so remove them. Control reload. If you'll use corpse types, then units won't have ditch animation. But that's not too how it said. Nothing good. but it won't help already. Need to restart game. Ah, this Plagin. Not checked. The other unit. Then we'll fast check it. It will be in media, classes, units. Units check. Plagin check. They need to remove corpse types. Save. There are errors that I won't see. Okay. If we'll remove, need to reload it again. There is some problems with the animation. Ctrl V. Okay, we'll check it in future, but I think it's no need to do it so hard. Yeah, they won't exist ditch animation. Why? I can't say. We'll let you game Blender file. Yeah, we really have the error. Ditch with a big letter, need with little letter too. So save, and we'll improve it. So watch how it works. Yeah, they really have ditch animation. Also some interesting, see how it's in versus trolls. Ctrl V, create or Plagin. Now back animation work, how you see? They going back with their bike. So everything work. Use. Good luck, have fun. And with textures experiment by yourself, because I don't know how to improve. That's all.